the best Motogreder from utility segment. In Russia, the second year, SEM is the number one imported Motogreder. So number one, comparing even with John Deere and other premium segment brands. So this is the 919, not the biggest machine in our class. Actually, we have 5 Motogreders in our product line, and this is not the biggest one, but this one is like a medium-sized, very nice Motogreder, and I will explain you the most, let's say, the most important selling points of this machine. So please be patient and so let's start from the front machine, from the nose. So right here you can see the push block. It's like a counterweight. It is installed on the front frame to increase the traction forces and to do the balance, the weight balance better. So actually, instead this push block, you can order the front plate. It's called the dozer plate. It can be installed here. And I can say you that in Russia, the most popular machines, it is the machines with front plates and rear ribbons, so the maximum configuration. So the customers, they prefer front plate because it's easy to spread the material with the front blade and etc. So just to keep you informed, let's say. Here we can see that this the front axle. The front axle looks very similar to cut design axle, so to cut machines. And if we will look at the front area, front frame, you will see that actually you will find a lot of similarities with cut machines. Like we use this cut legacy, cut DNA. So it's good because, as Alexei said at the beginning, we have a huge experience how to build the perfect construction machines, and why not? We can use it even on SEM machines. Yes, it's cheap, but we can use these technologies. And let's move here, and I will explain you the most important things about our work tools, about this attachment. So, as you know, this small board is like a main tool of the Motogreder. So it's like a main thing of the Motogreder. And all load from the moldboard goes through the circle drive and drawbar right here to this point. Connection between the drawbar and the front frame. And it is very, very important to have opportunity to maintain this point, to service it, and to adjust the plate that will appear during the normal application. Because when we move the drawbar to left and to the right, this ball will wear out, and we need to adjust this plate. If we will not adjust it, so we will destroy this point. And we have this opportunity. Right here, during the field the iron session, you will see that this ball can be maintained, it can be greased. Right here we have the shims that can adjust the plate that will appear on this point, and we can easily replace this ball. So it is not only maintainable, not adjustable, but an easy replaceable. So it means that this grader, and I will show you on different things. So it means that this grader, it's not one time on the Motogreder. So if some points, some components will wear out, we can easily replace them, and the machine will be ready for the new life, and will prolong the life cycle. Let's move here. The drawbar, very forth design, and here you can see the hydraulic motor, gearbox, and the slip clutch we needed to rotate the moldboard and circle drive. Yes, I said the slip clutch. Inside the gearbox, we have a slip clutch. This kind of component we need to protect the circle drive and pinion drive if the operator will hit something by the one of the end of the moldboard. This is very important. When the operator operates the machine on high speed, he can damage, he can hit something, let's say box or maybe some metal stuff inside the ground, and he can destroy the pinion drive and the circle drive. But because of we have this kind of slip clutch, the moldboard just slip, and the operator return it back, and everything will be good. So machine will be safe. And right here you can see that, as I said, the drawbar and the circle drive, they're made of steel, and they connected to each other, pretty close to each other. And between the drawbar and circle drive, we have the plastic plates. So when we will rotate the circle drive, we will not wear out the metal stuff. We will not wear out the drawbar and circle drive themselves. We will wear out the plastic shims, the plastic plates. And when the play will be maximal, when the play will appear, we can easily adjust this play, and when it will be critical, we can replace the plastic plates, and the machine will be as new, accurate and precise. And now I will ask my operator to put the blade on vertical position. Please be patient. it will take some time. So, but because of the link bar design, we can place the moldboard in vertical position to work on slopes, for ditching applications, and etc. You can see right now, so he's swinging the blade, and the blade swing on sliders, and this sliders made of hardened steel, so it means that they will wear out not so fast. And between this drive, the circle drive and the sliders, we have the bronze plates that will wear out faster than the sliders themselves, and we can adjust the play in this component. And here you can see, very easy, he can put the blade in vertical. Okay, thank you. Okay, you see how it is? Looks great, impressive. So, the circle drive, a couple of words about the circle drive. So the circle drive connected to the drawbar by these metal shoes. On 919 we have 4 shoes. On bigger machine, on 912, on 921, 922 we have 6 because of the machine's weight and etc. So right here you can see these shoes, and they, let's say, they hold the circle drive closer to the drawbar, and between these shoes and the circle drive we have plastic plates too. So they will wear out, not shoes, not the circle drive. So we well protected the circle drive against the wear drive, the wear out forces. And this pinion drive that I talked to you about, this pinion drive protected by the slip clutch system. Here, as I said previously, so sliders made of hardened steel, and right here we have the bronze plates that should protect the sliders against the wear out. Here is the link bar, or we can call it saddle frame. I like to call it saddle frame because it looks like the saddle for horse riding, you know, when you put saddle on the horseback. So so it's look the same, so I like to call it this way. But actually it's link bar. And this link bar, it's like a hydraulically locked. We have the hydraulic pin to lock the position of the link bar. And because of this kind of design, we can put the mold board in vertical position for easy application and etc. So our cap, it's we call it high profile cap, so it's very tall, a lot of space for the operator. 4-angled cap, let's say classic cap, not 6-angle like on M series or U-Gen. So this cap is very good, and you can see that the door can be opened fully and locked in the opposite way, so opposite direction. So here, our cap located on the front frame, and it is actually the brilliant design, because when the cap located on the front frame, operator seated on his place can control both ends of the mold board during the normal application. And even during the grab way, he can control both ends of the mold board. Some of our competitors, they place the cap on the rear frame. So it's cheaper to maintain, it's cheaper to construct this kind of machine, cheaper to build these machines. But when we place the cap on the front frame, we have much easier control. We can control both sides of the mold board. Let's talk about this feature. Let's talk about hydraulic system. This hydraulic system, it is unique hydraulic system for the motograders from China. We use this Cut Legacy hydraulic system 3PC. Priority Proportional Pressure Compensation System. What does it mean? In simple words. So it means that the operator can control, can operate, can apply multiple functions at the same time, even on low RPM. So on this machine we use hydraulic system with axial piston pump, and as I said previously, axial piston pump productivity or hydraulic flow do not depend so strong on engine RPM. So it depends only on swash plate position. And this kind of 3PC valve, they equipped by pressure compensators inside. So it means that all hydraulic system will get this kind of pressure and flow to operate at the same time with the same speed, with the required speed. And you can see that here, these hydraulic valves located just under these levers, you can see, and they connected to the levers by only one rod, so directly connected. And you can see that there is no any free play of this rod, and you will touch the levers during the fielder iron. So it means that the operator can control these levers, can control the hydraulic by fingers. Do not put a lot of force, do not put a lot of pressure to control the hydraulic system. And the hydraulic system very precise and very, let's say, sensible. And the operator can feel the feedback from hydraulic system. It's good for the operator. It means that he will need less runs to finish the work. It means that the operator or the customer will save more money, more time, and will spend less fuel. Let's move here. This is the tandem axle, the SEM tandem axle with the axle itself. So the main feature of this axle, it's this kind of axles, they're maintainable but not adjustable. So we need to replace the oil inside the axle and tandem every 2,000 hours, and that's all. We don't need to adjust the chain tension. We don't need to adjust other things. We just need to replace oil every 2,000 hours. We don't need to grease any bearings inside and etc. So no, it's maintainable only 2,000 hours. That's all. Very, very nice solution. And we have the differential lock. We call it no spin differential. It means when the machine drive on one direction straight, the diff lock will be locked. Every time it will be locked. And even when machine will turn, the diff will unlock. So it's like mechanically locked and automatically unlocked. Right here, just behind the service door, we have the Shanghai diesel engine. Very reliable, very nice engine. We actually do not have big issues with the kind of engine. Very popular on Motogreders, and spare parts available for this kind of engine, so everything should be good. And sorry. And we have the counter shaft, power shift, electrically controlled, hydraulically controlled transmission. 6 gears forward and 3 gears reverse. So the operator just change the position of the selector, and transmission will switch to the chosen gear. And let's move to the, let's say, final point, to the final destination. This is the Reaper. And we can install the Reaper with 3 teeth, with 5 teeth, or we can install here additionally scarifiers. Scarifier with 7 and 9, 5, 7 and 9 teeth shanks. So, and the main point of this kind of design of the Reaper, you can see that Reaper installed on parallel frame. What does it mean? It means when we will lift up and down the Reaper, teeth will go only vertically, the same position on all height. It means the angle between the surface, between the ground and teeth, will be the same on all length. And when we will penetrate inside the material will push on our teeth, trying to get it deeper. And in this case, the traction force will be much higher. And in this case, the Motograder will be much easier to rip. Agree? Perfect. Thank you very much. We have the tea break right now, or coffee break. So during the tea break,